Opened in 2008, this 30,000 square foot Iowa 80 trucking museum has over 100 vintage trucks. Bill Moon founded the museum because he had a passion for collecting antique trucks and trucking memorabilia. And this museum covers about 100 years of trucking, from an 1890 triple wagon to a 1996 Freightliner COE. 1966 Freightliner straight truck and pup, known as that because part of the trailer is fastened to the truck, part is pulled by the truck. Look at the semi-truck spoke wheels on this 1948 Diamond T 1-ton pickup truck. It'll do about 45 or 50 miles an hour. In 1959, Diamond T cabovers were popular and UPS had a large fleet of them. This 64 International Emeryville is known as an Emeryville because it was built in Emeryville, California. The 78 Kenworth Bandad Bandit, 1,500 horsepower and 150 mile per hour on the Bonneville Salt Flats. 56 Peterbilt 350 COE, which means cab over engine. It was Peterbilt's first cab-over model, and it had a hood that opened from the front to access the engine. These beautiful General Motors trucks were built in the 80s, and eventually they became white trucks, and then Volvo owns white, so they became Volvos. This 1944 white Coca-Cola truck has quite a story to tell. It spent 43 years in the junkyard, another 20 years in the back property of the owner, before taking 4 years to restore this unit to its glory. Man, it's a International Harvester truck body on a white chassis. Look at those fenders in the back of that thing. They are beautiful, look like car fenders. And 4,800 bottles of Coke are in that truck.
We're at the Iowa 80, the world's largest truck stop. See? The sign says
it's a 220-acre truck stop, which is about 3 times larger than the average 75-acre truck stop.
This place is amazing.
They have a 30,000 square foot showroom that's the largest trucking store in the United States, parking for 900 trucks, 15 diesel pumps, and they welcome about an average of 5,000 visitors every day. 450 employees make this place happen in a 300-seat full-service restaurant, fast food joints, and grab-and-go snacks keep you going. They have a custom shop that offers embroidery on jackets, sweatshirts, hats, and they do custom lettering and business cards while you wait. This place was awesome, and we loved it.
Thank you for joining me today. God bless you. Peace.